Hello everybody, my name is Evghenii Ghimazitdinov, and don't try to memorize my name. So today we're talking about API testing with Postman Newman. So what is Postman? So it's not Postman actually. It's a kind of platform which provides you the possibility to do a lot of testing of API, and what's important is to share your tests with another developers to faster develop some applications or to do some testing. Also, I didn't create any REST API for my testing, so in this case we will use just Yelp. I think not everybody knows what's Yelp. It's just a service which provides you to find different local businesses in your area. So, and like a bonus, I will provide you a Newman tool which provides the possibility to execute collections in Postman using command line. So actually our goal is to create weekly lunch collection, and we know that everybody has his own preferences regarding food, so I decided to create for each of a day of a week different requests to Yelp API to cover everybody's preferences in food. Somebody likes delivering food, somebody likes to not walk so far from the office to get some food. So what needs to be done is first we need to create weekly lunch collection, then we need to write requests for that collection, then we need to write tests, and at the final we need for sure to run collection run and Newman to test how tests are working. So let me first show you what Postman looks like. On the left side you can see collection requests. Above you can see request name and description. Then below you can see tests for sure. On the right side you can use different snippets available in Postman, and below you can find actually test results. So first we're gonna create a weekly lunch collection. It can be done real easy and quick. So you just press new collection, type your name, and you are done. The next step will be to create a request. So I provided an example. In this example, I made a request to Yelp API, and what's important here is I'm using environment variables in Postman. Being more specific, I'm using offset. I think nobody likes to receive the same places every week, so I will use an offset variable to change the places every week. So actually the next step will be to write some tests in Postman. It can be done using standard plain JavaScript, or you can use Mocha style. If nobody uses it, it's just Mocha. It's just a test framework to write some tests. So in this example, I look through businesses and test if it's Italian restaurant or not, or if it's closed or not. And at the end, I set a variable to store some results, because I can post this data to different services like Twitter, Facebook later. So the next step will be to run the collection using collection runner. As you can see, you just need to run runner itself, and you will see how which tests are passed and which are not. And another cool tool to test your API is Newman. You can export your collection from Postman and run the Newman command, and you will receive the same results, but just in command line. So you can question me if that's it. No, for sure you can use it to post some data, Facebook, Twitter, Slack, integrate with different services. The most important also to integrate it with different continuous integration services like Travis, Jenkins, AWR, and others. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm very happy to see you all, and yeah, happy holidays.